student for the Galaxy City, and I'm coming here for the FAT. Everybody really warm welcome for us, and it can support about the data technical for us also. The Galaxy City team to support for the clear information and quick to support the data and the technical also, and makes us for confident to working with them. The self-cleaning filter is filter the water before the cooling tower and improve the efficiency of the cooling tower also. Sure, we will recommend Galaxy Filter for the other company. Here for the FAT today is well, and Galaxy Filter team already support the technical also, and we recommend the product of the Galaxy Filter is suitable for the mini industry.